Konnichiwa. Today we cook mixed flakes. Here are ingredients. Grained meat 250 gram, sugar 30 gram, soya sauce 30 milliliter, and a piece of ginger. Start to cook. While the pan gets warm, slice ginger and cut it in small pieces. Instead of ginger, you can cut garlic. Put meat on a pan. Meat has already oil, so this time I don't put oil on the pan. Stir fry the meat and put ginger. I think fine piece of meat cover the rice more. So mix well. And now quite fine pieces of meat. Then add sugar first. It's important to add sugar first, then soya sauce. If you add soya sauce first, sugar molecules don't go inside of meat and meat has no sugar taste. In Japanese food, we use quite often soy and sugar combination, so please remember this order. Sugar first and soya sauce. And vaporize the water for some minutes. If you like, cut green onion or some vegetable for topping. Serve the rice a little bit more. Then add meat on the top. Today I use dish with leg and added green onions. Ready. This meat fits to noodle when you buy grain meat. It's nice. This recipe is one of the options. See you soon.